Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to update your Amazon Kindle application on your mobile device. Updating your Amazon Kindle app on your mobile device often introduce new features, enhancements, and bug fixes that can improve your reading experience. So in order to update your Amazon Kindle app on your mobile device, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box appearing at the top, type in Kindle. Now, open up the Kindle application, and if the app has an update available, you will see an update button right under or right next to the app. Tap the update button if available to download and install the latest version of Kindle app on your device. Once the app is updated, tap on the open button to open the Kindle app and enjoy the new features and improvements. If you don't see the update button in the Google Play Store or your App Store, it means that you already are using the latest version of the Kindle app. So that's how you can easily find out if your application is updated or if you have the latest version of Kindle on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.